Alright, so we're finally back again. This time around we're going to be unboxing the Supreme Comme des Garçons tee in the black colorway. I just got it in the mail today, so with no further ado, as always, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button. It really helps out a lot, and let's get on with this video. So here we got the Supreme bag, just a standard Supreme bag. And here we got the shirt and the receipt. So, yes, let's just take a quick look at the shirt here. Yes, here we have it. Just a plain black tee, as you can see. No brand or anything down here or inside, nor the back. But the box logo is here. It says Comme des Garçons shirt, Supreme. And here we have the tag. It says Comme des Garçons shirt, Supreme in a large, and how to, I guess, wash it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much more to say about that. I'll just make a quick on body to like showcase how it looks. Yeah. So here's the shirt.